I will show you how to find hope in the darkest moments of your life. Join me on a journey from despair to divine light. In the depths of despair, life can feel like endless nights in silent hospital corridors. Tear-filled moments and prayers whispered into the darkness. But then, something changes. The touch of a loved one. Light breaking through a window. A heartbeat, once fading, now growing stronger. Slowly, strength returns. Laughter breaks through the silence. Reconciliation with the past brings peace. Vibrant life renews where fear and pain once dwelled. And there, standing in the light, we find gratitude and grace. Remember, in your love, you kept me from the pit. You put all my sins behind your back. Embrace the quiet power of divine love to heal and redeem. From darkness to light, let hope prevail.